What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we want to open up August Menlo package. So let's get into that. All right, so August, we're getting into fall. It's still hot. San Diego, still hot in California. So I don't know when we're gonna be able to wear this, and we got COVID environment, all that type of stuff. But put it on ice till we able to use it. So I know they're going toward that fall. Keep it kind of warmer look. Let's see. We got the first bag here. So new thing they're coming out with, Melrose Place. Kind of being from LA, California, the old 90s. I don't know if it was a soap opera or something like that, and the actual Melrose Place in LA. But they're going for a new theme. I think it's kind of modern after one of the competitors, or I don't even know if I want to say competitors, but just other fashion outlets. But yeah, so this is their new thing looking. So I'm just opening this stuff up. So we got a plain tee there. It looks kind of like a kind of gray, maybe kind of into a blue type thing, but yep. We'll try that on for size, see how it fits. Like the bag, you can reuse this bag. Has a Ziploc on it. Close that thing up, so we end up putting the tee back in the bag. Not really, but anyway, let's go. Let's move on. Another bag. The tee, still summer. This is a white one, so I'm interested to see how this fits. Hard to come across a nice white tee, but so far has a good same material that good quality material that he's known for. Seems pretty good. So I'm gonna try on the darker color one. I'm gonna put this one on nice because they're the same type of shirt. Then I don't know what color we got, but I know what it is. Boom, bring it out. You got yourself a nice style hoodie there. Supposed to be very comfortable. Again, Melrose Place. So I'm not gonna be wearing this anytime soon in California, but I'm gonna try it on for size and gonna put them on ice. So not bad, not bad. As you can see, like my sleeves to come up about there. The only thing I will say about this is, see, it's hanging like right there. So, as soon as you wash it, might shrink up on you or something. But yeah, I'm in there with it. Cool. All right, so got the hoodie on, nice little fit. Yeah. So I'll definitely cover you up. But yeah, nice feel to it. Sleeves come up right where they need to be. You got good length there. So yeah, I like it. I like it. Hopefully, yeah, they're rolling out. They're rolling out different colors and stuff. And I saw some colors they teased with that they didn't offer in the packages, but it's gonna be available soon. So I'm looking out for that. So yeah, Melrose Place. So a new subline coming from Menlo House. So you're gonna have Melrose Place. You got Running Club AC. 5-4, you know, New Republic. You just, you know, keep doing these collabs and, you know, having these different lines under the Menlo House subscription. So yeah, well, I got the white tee, the blue tee on, and the sweater, and that's for August. So again, if I check out other people's videos, if you check mine out, you know, let me know in the comments what y'all got. Let me know in the comments what you think about the outfit in general, or the clothes we got for August. And you know, till then, be safe, be careful, take care of each other, and talk to y'all soon.